laps for you. Don't worry about it. I want you to enjoy it. It's going to happen so fast. I want you to be able to enjoy it, okay?
Okay.
You see the cones that are falling down like this? If you want to go as fast as you want from here to there, by all means, go ahead. And then we'll go boom, right to left onto the track. No drifting.
Okay.
Got it?
Alright.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, so this is your DXL zone. This is where most of your braking is going to happen on the track. You're going to throttle out. This got a little bit of an S-turn. A little hard to see it first time, but once you get it, you'll get it. Alright. Plow through here. We're going to let off just a little bit as we're going to hug this all the way to the right because we're not ready to get off the track. And this is where you get full acceleration. Woo! You can see why this is the braking zone. Woo! Alright, now this is going to be your last lap, so make it the best. That was great. I can tell you're getting really acclimated with the track. Alright, I'm going to signal the other driver to come on course as we're coming off. You just take it easy and take a bear left. How is it, man? You feeling it?
Yeah, I like it. I want to buy one now.
Oh my gosh. If you know what it's like to work on an airplane, I could imagine working on a Ferrari.
Just park right there.
Yeah, just pull in the middle here, just fine. Actually work for an airline as well.
Oh, did?
Yeah, I'm a flight attendant for Southwest Airlines.